So I understand where you're coming from. I get a lot of this type of sentiment over on my climate change account. Like, why are we worrying about these stupid small things when the planet is dying and whatnot? So here's the thing. How can we demand better of our government if we don't know better ourselves, right? People feel weird about throwing dog poop in the trash can for it to go to a landfill. And the reason they feel weird is because they should feel weird. It's a freaking weird thing that we have to do, but they don't know that there are other options and it's just not being presented to us. Our society is incredibly inefficient, absolutely inefficient. And this is one of the problems that we have with our planet, of why we're having so much problems with climate change and this plastic pollution and all of this stuff that we have. And it's because of inefficiency. Okay, in many different types of systems. And the reason why we are allowed to be as inefficient as we are is, one of the reasons being, is that people just are clueless to the problem. They're ignorant of the problem. It's not their fault that they're this way. It's just people aren't talking about it. Okay, and so I understand that dog poop can seem like such a stupid, trivial thing, but it's kind of part of a bigger problem of us being extremely inefficient with resources. Dog poop is a resource. It's full of nutrients. We can reuse this resource, okay? And people know this. That's why they leave it in the woods. They think it can go back into the environment, not really understanding about the environmental impact. But they don't understand that there are systems that can be put in place by our government where they can take our pet waste and they can compost our pet waste and create something that we can put back into the environment, put back into our landscape, that can be reused. We can reuse this resource instead of throwing it into the landfill, right? There's a reason why people feel weird about doing that. It's weird to put poop into a plastic bag and throw that sucker in the landfill. It's weird, and it should feel weird because it is weird. So as stupid as it seems that we're talking about dog poop right now, it's part of a bigger problem, okay? It's part of this big inefficient world that we've created. We need to take baby steps to create something that's more efficient and more sustainable for the planet. I think this is something you would agree on based on your little picture and the comments that you've been leaving in the comment section. It's not just what it seems like on the surface. It goes deeper. It's a deeper problem. It's a waste problem. It's a resource problem. And it's something we need to fix. And so we need to demand that our government puts systems in place so that we can reuse this resource instead of throwing it in the literal trash.